Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Handmade. Today, I will show you how I made this green Porsche of plasticine clay. This is how it looks now. As you can see, it's made of plasticine clay. I covered the windows to protect the interior from the paint. I'm going to use spray paint. I start with a layer of primer, and after that, I'll paint it in the main green color. After that, I've added the finishing touch, such as wheels. But before I tell you about it, I want to show you how I did it. The whole creation process step by step. This Porsche 911 Turbo is made of both the hard NSP plastiline and plasticine clay. It took me 96 hours and 11 days to create this model. It's not that much, but at the same time it turned out to be the highest quality model of all. Now I will tell you how I made this Porsche. Initially, for its creation, I took an old Porsche that I modeled a year ago. It wasn't quite good, all because of the painting, which began to crack over time. I already wanted to sculpt a Porsche from the very beginning, but then I got the idea I could cover an old Porsche with plasticine. I just made some improvements. Since the car body was already ready, it just saved my time. This is how this Porsche looked, and it certainly looked terrible compared to the new one. In general, I removed the wheels, cut off the roof, and cut the front part of the body to lengthen it. And then I prepared everything to cover it with a thick layer of plasticine. After that, I made the right shape for the body with all curves and bends. I took a look at them at the 3ds Max program and at Forza Horizon 4. At the same time, I constantly compared the plasticine model with the original to do everything correctly. Then, when I had already made the desired shape, I plastered another layer of the hard NSP plasticine. It was the last layer. And then I already finalized all the forms, made the front and back of the car. This is the method I used to make this Porsche. I managed to create a car very similar to the original. All the proportions turned out to be correct. And of course, I tried very hard. That is why it is my best model of plasticine. Its scale is 1/24. It turned out cool, didn't it? I made the model very efficiently. It can be safely stored at room temperature for a long time. Porsche is detailed very well. Here are the interior, trunk, engine, and even the bottom of the car. Let's take a look at the trunk. But first, open the hood and fix it. Now let's look at the engine. The bottom of the car was also detailed well. I did not make a working running gear, so the wheels are fixed and they cannot rotate. Since the car is made for the collection, its weight is much more than usual. If there was a working running gear, then the wheels would simply melt over time. Plus, in this version, I was able to make brake calipers. I hope this video was interesting for you, so if you like my unusual plasticine creativity, subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will hone my craft to please you with the new, improved plasticine cars. Thanks for watching my video. See you!